Welcome to our video on the history of crypto bull runs. Today, we'll delve into the exhilarating world of cryptocurrency and explore the noteworthy bull runs that have skyrocketed digital assets into the global financial spotlight. The journey into crypto bull runs begins in 2011 with Bitcoin's remarkable rise from a mere 30 cents to around $32. This 100-fold increase within just a few months caught the attention of early adopters and set the stage for more significant movements. Fast forward to late 2013, where Bitcoin experienced another explosive bull run, peaking at over $1,100. This happened amid growing media attention and increased public interest, marking one of the earliest times when cryptocurrencies entered broader public discourse. Then came 2017, a year that remains etched in the annals of crypto history. The bull run of 2017 saw Bitcoin reaching an all-time high of nearly $20,000. This surge was fueled by factors like rising public awareness, ICO, initial coin offering frenzy, and institutional interest. This bull run was characterized by exuberant speculation and marked the arrival of numerous altcoins. Enter 2020, when the world witnessed an extraordinary bull market amid a global pandemic. This time, Bitcoin shattered previous records, peaking at around $64,000 in April 2021, before reaching new heights in November 2021 near $69,000. Unlike previous rallies, this phase was driven by increased institutional investment, mainstream adoption, and fears of inflation, prompting more investors to view Bitcoin as a digital gold. Now, the factors underlying these bull runs are crucial. They include market sentiment shifts, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic dynamics. Each bull run builds upon lessons from the last, shaping the evolution of the cryptocurrency market. Understanding these dynamics will enable you to appreciate that crypto bull runs are more than mere price spikes. They reflect fundamental shifts and growing adoption in the digital economy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.